In this video, we'll walk you through how to use Engageli whiteboards to boost collaboration and engagement during your live sessions. Engageli's whiteboards are perfect for brainstorming, ideation, and group work with everyone in the class or small table groups. There are two types of whiteboards. First are class-level whiteboards, which are shared with all learners. These are used to explain concepts, draw diagrams, or annotate shared ideas in real time. Next are table-level whiteboards, which allow participants at each table to interact with everyone else seated at that table. These are ideal for group brainstorming, problem-solving exercises, or student-led presentations. Instructors can join each table to view their respective whiteboard. To start a whiteboard, go to the Present menu at the bottom of the classroom screen. Click Whiteboard and select either Class Whiteboard or Table Whiteboard. To stop the whiteboard, follow the same workflow and click the Stop button that appears below Whiteboard. Learners can then save screenshots of the whiteboard to their notes or download the screenshot as an image using the whiteboard tools.